All right, everybody. This show's edutainment. It stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. It's not to be taken, and it's not to be taken as financial advice. I don't know your financial situation. This is just a look, one look at how to invest, and it's using technicals. All right. With that said, we're here on Monday, June 27th.
And it's my last day of school, full day.
Catalina's last day of school.
Full day.
Full day. And here we go. I don't know how that reset. Did I reset that? The timer. That was weird. Let me do it again. Boom. Hi, social media world.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Welcome to Social Media World. I'm Caroline Luke, Alfred Gordon Luke, and this is 8 at 8, and I am in touch right now.
Thank you, honey. That was weird. Our timer just reset. Oh, well.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking at Nike today. It's part of the S&P 500, specifically Consumer Discretionary XLY, because I can.
Oogie.
Ticker symbol, it is NKE. Nice and simple. They just dropped the I for Nike. But if you are an investor, I got to remind you of this. You got to go to Investors Relations. You got to do your research. You got to find out all what's happening, what quarters, when they're reporting, because it lines up today that they're reporting. But you didn't come here. You came here for the chart. So let's do that.
I came here for the playing.
If we are a positional trader, aka buy and hold investor, let's see how our buy and holding is doing, right? As of January, it moved below the moving average. The sellers took control, and also people are really greedy. And look at this staircase down. Down. Now you're sitting at about 111 right here, all the way from 180. So that's a $60 drop. My goodness, you got to avoid those drops. But if you have faith that this is going to rebound soon, then you are dollar cost averaging in a hard way. But the opportunities are in these little wicks, I think, in these candles. So let's go take a look, a closer view. So if you are a swing trader, primarily like what I do, you are looking for momentum and when it's going to bounce, when it's moving up, and in this cycle. As you see, Nike is one of those companies that does a lot of up and down, and it also gaps a lot. There's a lot of space in between these candles in the day. So it jumps, right? Just do it. So if we take a look at what our buying opportunities are, we're going to use some red circles for that. We've had some, look at this, it's hitting a strong floor. 1, 2, 3. They call that a triple floor. And that's some buying opportunities right here as it's doing a little bit of a bounce. And I'm going to use that little bounce right here. Is it going to hit the top of our Bollinger Band? It is so depressed that most likely it will hit just from the past. Look at this. It dips down, bounces up to the top of the Bollinger Band, bottom, the top of the Bollinger Band, bottom. This one just gets the medium, drops down, and then back up to the top. So will it hit the medium? For sure. I'm thinking that's pretty safe bet, right? High probabilities that it will, but it looks like there's a strong top here. It's going to have to fight to get back up to 125. But let's take a look by zooming in here at our strength, our RSI, and our momentum. So if we just take this one is, the momentum is trying to pick back up. As you can see, it went up, it went down, and now it's trying to cross. And same here as well. We've had higher highs, hit the bottom, and now it's trying to make higher highs, yeah, and it's making higher lows at this moment. The trajectory is going to the upside, although I still think that's some wonderful weakness right here as well. So this, they call this a little bit of divergence that you're seeing as it's weakening. And here. So not clear symbols or not clear signals that you're getting, but I would say it's definitely not super climbing, but it is weakening a little bit and losing a little bit of momentum as it approaches the mid. So I changed my analysis here. I'm saying this is a strong top. I'm going to say I'm going to call this other candle right here and this floor. I'd say the highest that you're probably going to get back up to, or you're going to face a lot of resistance, is around 118. Let's just call it 118. as top end resistance right there. 118, that's where you're going to see the top. So if I was swing trading this, if I got down at 100, I would say I'm probably out at 118, looking back for another reversal, as this is still kind of weak. Weak sauce. But let's see what's going to move the markets today. And the probably reason why it's going to the downside is because of this. It says here that today we're expecting 0.08, 0.81. What they're going to report to us, it says here 12 p.m. I think we just got to update that. It's going to be reporting after hours. So it's not going to be reporting at 9 a.m. today, but, or sorry, 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 p.m. Eastern time. It'd probably be after market. That's what the word on the street is right now for Nike. What else is going to move us in the news? So if you're looking over here to my eyes, right next to my ear, 73 earnings, 22 stocks, but 5 IPOs, 33 economic events. Out of those economic events, let's take a look. Let's take a look today with Catalina there. Defensive durable. So this is all the defensive stocks, military kind of stuff. That's what I'm seeing. Transport, durable goods, pending sales. Dallas Fed is also reporting, and not a lot. So yeah, there's just a few things that are reporting in the U.S. markets right now. But as for Nike, all eyes on earnings. And it lines up today, which is amazing. So it was down 1% right now in the pre-market. Some headline news that you're hearing is analysts are cutting Nike stocks just because of China. Also, this one says it rises ahead of their F1 earnings. So they're saying it's doing a little bit better than projected. And also here, what's coming, what's to expect. As you can see, it's down 1.5% as everything's kind of flat today, right? But let's take a look at intraday. What are our opportunities? And we're going to see some crazy swings with Nike today. We're going to grab a Fibonacci here. We're going to take the lows. This is pretty much lows. It hit highs in aftermarket around 114. We're going to drop it there. It's retraced back to the 38 level. I'm going to zoom in here for everybody here. So as you can see, it hit its peak in pre-market, and then now it's dropping down. I think it's consolidating around here to see what we get on the news, and then it'll probably shoot back up if Nike gives us a great earning. But whatever the earnings say, man, I think this is going to consolidate around this range today. I don't think it's going to trade very much until we get those earnings calls. So the big moves could be after hours. After hours for Nike stock. As you can see, consolidating right now. Will it break out in either direction? For you today, before earnings call, 112 as low as 110. I think that's a $2 spread. Make your money as it goes up and down right now, but that's what we'll see. Strong floor around here, 110. I'm thinking, ooh, I don't know. VWAP is down here as well, so it's flat. I don't know what to tell you. It's just not moving here, and it's obviously, ooh, let's see here. I don't know what's really by my head. I want to remind you of this. Where is my red circle? I lost it. Where's the other red circle? Oh, there it is. It's already up here where I want it to be. I'm going to move that Nike symbol. Oh, someone's on my hand. As you can see right here, 110. It's already down almost 1.5% today. We're going to move Nike symbol back up here. All these monkeys are jumping around. We're into extended time.
And it's my turn.
All right.
My turn.
With that said, everybody, we're signing off here. Again, final for Nike. I think it's consolidating around 10. And I think we have in trading hours 112 down all the way to 109. Okay, we got someone coming up, climbing. We got to worry about safety. Shoulder. Look at those arms. Hello, everybody. You can tell everybody, what did we do this whole weekend? Handle. That's good practice for us. We're just working the lives. We got a minute and 20 seconds to go.
Yay. I always do games with the show for entertainment.
Uh-oh. Someone's calling you, Momoy. Oh, Lola's calling.
We're doing a show.
Yeah. So 1 minute left in here.
Come in here, Lola.
Lola doesn't want to be live on Facebook or
Well,
YouTube.
we always be here. I at least maybe.
All right. Everybody, we got the reason why the girls are going all crazy is because they're winding down their school. Momo's still going, right? She's a good learner.
It's summertime.
Cat's approaching the end of school, moving into summertime mode. We've been really hitting a lot of beaches, a lot of water parks. We
Yeah,
gotta
with
figure.
my school.
Whoa. Getting snug with it, sister. What's that? What's that gangster flow? Alright. Lots of stuff whipping in my face, whipping on my eyes. We're gonna give you the peace out in about 15 seconds here.
I want to get in.
Where's your face? Yeah, we're so crowded in here. We need a bigger screen. Peace out, everybody.